Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw Stich and Angel from Lilo and Stitch.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. We'll start with Stitch by drawing his big eye. Next, let's draw his nose. Now we'll draw the shape of his head. And his two ears. Let's continue with his body. Draw his chest, his back with his tail, and finally his two legs and two arms, just like this. Stitch is sitting on the ground. Now let's draw Angel. We'll start with her big eye. Next, let's draw her nose, the shape of her head and her mouth. Then we'll draw her two ears, like this. Now let's draw the fur on her chest, her arms, and her two legs. Angel is sitting on the ground like Stitch. Finally, let's draw her back and her tail. Don't forget to draw a big heart between them. They're in love! Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! We'll start with Stitch by coloring his eye with black. Now we'll use light blue for his chest and belly. Pink for his ears. Blue for all of his body. And finally, a darker shade of blue for all the details. Now, let's color Angel. I'll use pink for her eye, ears and chest. Black for her eye. Light pink for all of her body. And light purple for her nose and the details. For the heart, we'll color half pink and half blue, just like Stich and Angel. So sweet! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!